Yes, 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 and yes. Best part, it's under $10. Curling iron mascara. Say what? Yes, this is a viral mascara. This is by the brand Judy Doll. It's a Chinese makeup brand, and this is their curling iron mascara. So this is a bristle-free wand. It uses, or it has precision threading throughout, and that's how you curl your lashes using this mascara. Pretty cool. I got it from YesStyle under $8. It took maybe like 2 weeks to get here from Hong Kong, but this is what the packaging looks like. You take it out and it has the steel tube inside for your wand. It reminds me of the Hourglass mascara. I think the total was like $150 US. It's ridiculous. But again, this is under $8 for what I purchased. It has tiny little fibers, but I'm curious to see how this is going to be on my stubborn straight lashes. All right, let's get into it. I'm excited. This is what my lashes look like before. Not curled, not styled, in their natural state. I have some stubborn lashes right here that are literally going down instead of straight or up. So they do say to curl your lashes before applying this mascara, the curling iron mascara. So I'm going to do one eye with curled and then the other eye not curled and see if we get similar results or if it's gonna be very different. I'm using the Surat Beauty eyelash curler. So right eye, I'm going to curl the lashes. Massive difference. They recommend to brush upwards in a Z pattern and then gently press to set for 12 hours of curl. One coat, very subtle. Going back in for more. Okay, before, after. So this is like 2 coats. Personally, I'm not seeing the little fibers because they're so tiny and I mean, almost inconspicuous, but I'm pretty impressed with this formula. Very lightweight, very feathery. The lashes are wispy, they're spread out. They're not voluminous, but this is more so I think for length and curl, and it's giving me just that. The lashes, they're not falling down. I like it. I like it a lot. And one thing I do appreciate about the steel wand, I can get really close to the root of the lashes and create almost like a tight line effect with this mascara. So basically what I did, I just coated the mascara on my lashes in like a zigzag motion pattern, and then I went back in and kind of held it in those certain areas where my lashes tend to fall down, and then went back in with a little bit more mascara just around my tight line to add a little bit more volume and definition. I like it so far. Very easy to apply. This is not a voluminous type of a mascara where it's going to apply so much product and coat your lashes, but it's very natural, very wispy. Now I'm curious what's gonna happen with my non-curled lashes. Let's do it. One coat. Not a fan. Let's go with the second coat. I think we can see a major difference. So curling lashes before I apply mascara versus no curling the lashes. I think we can all say the curling lashes looks phenomenal. The curl, it's not dropping. The lashes look beautiful, very lifted, very curled, long, stunning. My eyes look wide and open. The left side, my eye is closed, it looks smaller, the lashes are drooping. There's just not much going on. This mascara is not doing much for my lashes. So I'm gonna let this dry down and then I'm gonna come back and gently curl my lashes after the application for the mascara. I'm gonna apply mascara to the lower lash line, and this is where people say it makes the world of difference. If your lower lashes are non-existent, this curling iron mascara makes them existent. Shocked. Wow, what are you? This is insane. Another thing to mention, this mascara cleans up really easy, really fast. I got some on my top eyelids and lower lash line, and very easy to clean. I just wait for the mascara to dry and then use a spoolie to gently scrape off. Comes off very easy. So I was wondering, is this a waterproof mascara? Because waterproof mascara, it holds the curl all day long for me personally, for my lashes after curling. So I didn't see that this was a waterproof mascara, but they did say it's very long lasting. Like they say, they claim 12 hours of curl. So let's go to the left side. Let's curl my lashes very gently. Make sure not to pull or tug, and we'll see, hopefully we can get something similar to the right side, because we have two different personalities happening here. We're not hating, we just want it to be similar. Again, very gentle, make sure the mascara is dried. I'm gonna be gentle, not to pull. Whoo-wee! Wow, okay, that's similar enough. Ooh, that was really good. Sometimes after I curl, if I apply mascara first and then curl my lashes, you can see where the eyelash curler was sitting on my lashes, but this, it did not take off any mascara. Love that for my lashes. I'm gonna apply mascara to the lower lash line now, to the left side. Wow, are we lifted or what? All I have to say is wow, wow. It does what it says it does. It's a curling iron mascara for your lashes. Yes, 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 and yes. Best part, it's under $10. Wow. And of course, we are gonna do the wear test to see if the lashes stay curled, stay lifted for 12 hours. Let's go. 3 hours in and I haven't looked in the mirror yet. I was prepping for dinner. I'm marinating some stuff, so dinner will be in like several hours, but let's see. I need the mirror. Whoa. Wow, okay. I'm not seeing a lot of transfer, but there's a tiny bit right there. You can see a little bit of flaking right there around the nose, but wowza. I think the curl is still there. If anything, there's a little bit of a drop from the left eye where I didn't curl, but I curled after. And I was trying to be very, very careful so I don't pull any lashes out. But let me just gently clean underneath. I mean, look at that. It cleans so nice. I think it's actual mascara flaking. It's the fibers that are somewhat flaking. No transfer in the upper eyelid. Yay. We're still looking really good. This right eye is insane. It looks so good. The left eye looks fabulous, but the right eye is the real winner here. And that completes the 12-hour wear test for the Curling Iron Mascara by Judy Doll. So for dinner, I was making chicken on the grill and there was a lot of smoking by the grill. My eyes, they're still so tender. They just hurt from the smoke. And I don't know if anything happened to the mascara. I was trying not to touch my eyes, but my eyes were watering a little bit. And let's see what they look like. Yes, the right eye, it's A+ still to this hour, A+. I kind of feel like I haven't lost the curl at all. I mean, it looks so good. The left eye, even with that first update, I feel like the lashes have dropped quite a bit. Like you could see a difference from eye to eye. So definitely the recommendation, curl your lashes first and then go in with the mascara instead of going with the mascara and then curling your lashes. But I mean, this right eye, fabulous flawless. And I'm impressed that the mascara formula itself, it's not transferring. I don't have raccoon eyes afterwards. I honestly thought I was gonna have a little bit of transfer, a little bit of that raccoon underneath my lashes, lower lashes, after cooking dinner on the grill. And I'm not seeing a lot of flaking. If anything, there's a tiny bit right there flaking right there, but overall I am just wowed with how good my lashes look. So this mascara is for those that want that curl, that want that lift from the mascara. It's a very lightweight, feathery type of a formula. I'm sure you can build it up to a point, but I think the whole purpose of this mascara is for that curling effect and that lifting effect. And I definitely got the length as well from the fibers within the formula. So yay, I am impressed. Sometimes you get, it's too good to be true. This is not the case. This is good, this is true, and it works, and I'm just impressed with still my right eye. How do you still look so good? Tonight, I'm going to do a double cleanse just in case this is a waterproof mascara, even though I'm gonna do a double cleanse regardless whenever I wear makeup. I'm sure it's gonna take off very easy with a double cleanse, like a oil-based cleanser in the beginning and then a gel cleanser for the second cleanser. I'm gonna end it here. Thank you for watching, spending time with me. Again, this is a mascara under $10. It's from the brand Judy Doll, and I purchased this mascara from Yes Style. I've purchased from them before. I've never had any issues. It's just sometimes the shipping can take at least like 2 to 3 weeks to come. Thank you for watching and spending time with me, and I'll see you in the next one very soon.